no exception to the rule that divides my way. I decide to the side of the silvery sea. But when you're just a commoner that with audience or brown, a little running down, you've got to settle down. You save up all the money you can till summer comes around. Then away you go to a spot you know where the soft shells are found. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. I do like to be above the from where the clouds and lakes beyond from. You let me be beside the seaside. I'll be beside the Delta Sea. And if not the Delta side, I should like to be beside the seaside, beside the sea. Timothy went to Blackpool for the day last week aside to see what he could see beside the sea. As soon as he reached the station there, the first thing he espied was the wine lodge door that opened invitingly. The 20th he got inside and poured out for a wine. The 8 or 9, the snow began to shine. Said he, what people see in the sea, I really came to see. So he caught the train back home again, and to his wife said he, oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. I do like to be upon the from, where the clouds and places beyond from. So just let me be beside the seaside. I'll be beside myself to sleep. And if lots of girls beside, I should like to be beside the seaside, beside the sea. I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. I do like to be upon the from, where the clouds and places beyond from. So just let me be beside the seaside. I'll be beside the Delta Sea. And there's lots of girls beside. I should like to be beside the sea.